How do you do? What's news today?
Don't you know? The schools have already opened and the students started coming to the school.
But Harishankari, do you know one thing? The disaster risk is still remaining all over, so that everybody should be careful, especially children.
Yes, that's true. As we all know that coronavirus destroyed every field of life. The economic system, the education system, trade, agriculture fields collapsed everywhere due to the pandemic.
Also, since the lack of medicine against this pandemic, lakhs and lakhs of people had died. It is very difficult to withstand in this crucial health issue.
Hey, can you imagine? They have already revealed that very less death rate comparing to the real rate. Corona is really the biggest pandemic in the world which has ever seen.
But Harishankari, we shall prevent this coronavirus by following a simple safety measures. But even now, people were not giving much importance to such a terrible condition which was at our doorstep, isn't it?
Yes, dear. Anyway, thank God. At least we could meet each other after a long days. Now we shall bring our golden days back to our school. How sweet are they, right?
Yes, Harishankari, we shall restart everything. To make everyone as before, we shall join our hands together. Oh my God, I forget to remember this day.
Why?
Today is a special day for us. It's a Children's Day, isn't it?
Yes, Nani. I also forget to ask you. Let you tell about Children's Day celebrations of your school?
Surely I will tell. Every year our school plans out something new to entertain us. Our teachers entertain us by different programs like dance, song and skit. Our management distributes gifts and sweets for us.
Oh, enough. Shall we go for a tea break?
Why not? I was about to tell you that. We shall go for a short break and come back.
கண்ணோடு காண்பதெல்லாம் தலைவா கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்களுக்கு சொந்தமில்லை கண்ணோடு மணியானாயதனால் கண்ணை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை நீ என்னை விட்டு பிரிவதில்லை
Why are you so happy?
See, schools are already open, no? I want to share something about our school. Okay, since you are interested, I'll explain about my school. Our St. Anthony's Matriculation School is a co-education upcoming school catering to the academic needs of all the communities across their area. As they say, journey of million miles starts with a single step. St. Martha's management has started the school in the year 2004 with kindergarten. Our school motto is "Let your light shine." To fulfill this motto, we are providing a quality, affordable and holistic education to economically weakened section of their society.
Fantastic, Rennie. Let me know about.
We established first standard in the year 2006. It added a colorful feather to the cap.
Wow, superb, Rennie. I heard that your school had a great infrastructure. Can you explain it?
Yes, of course. We started with few classrooms, but now it is imposing edifice with separate KG block. We have all facilities like computer lab, science lab, smart class, auditorium, library and playground.
Do you have any garden in your school?
Yeah, I forget. Our school is situated in a beautiful atmosphere. It is surrounded by many ornamental plants and trees which are refreshing and nice to look.
Oh, very interesting. I am so happy to hear about your school. Again, what more activities you are doing in your school?
There are number of activities and celebrations in our school. I will tell it in detail. But before that, let's go for a break.
Okay, we shall have a break now.
Good afternoon all. I welcome you to the celebration of Children's Day. Today is Sunday 14th November. We all children and teachers gathered here at school to celebrate the Children's Day celebration in honor of Chacha Nehru. A warm welcome to respected teachers and students. Today I got a golden opportunity to deliver a speech on Children's Day. In today's speech, I repeat the significance and the story behind the Children's Day celebration. This day is dedicated to children to commemorate the work and love and put in by Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This marks his 132nd anniversary. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became our first Prime Minister in 1947 after India was declared an independent nation. He always advocated for children's rights for safety, health and education. He loved his time with children and children also were very fond of him as they referred to him as Chacha Nehru and Chacha Ji. He had a great vision for India and he knew that was only possible if the young people started in childhood by giving them the freedom to dream. So let's be the children. Our nation is proud and create a better tomorrow for everyone around on that day. The schools around the country celebrate by conducting many programs to encourage children and to give new ideas of innovation. Various games and stage performances are conducted. Children are engaged in stage performances, include speeches, debates, seminars, singing and dancing. Sweets are distributed and celebrated along with teachers with lot of enthusiasm. Children's Day is to revisit Chacha Nehru's principle of allowing to have wings and fly rather than restricting and limiting their creativity. I conclude by conveying my warmest wishes on Children's Day. So let's celebrate the day with happiness and enjoy the gift of childhood, since we are future leaders of India. So let us make a beautiful society and a better nation. Thank you everybody for giving your precious time and hearing my speech.
Welcome back. You are watching Children's Day program from St. Anthony's Matriculation School, now on SAMS YouTube channel.
Rennie, now you tell me, what are the activities and celebrations of your school? And do you participate in any of the items? And are you going for some inter-school competitions in different streams?
Yes, Harishankari, along with the academic training, our teachers encouraged us and promoted extracurricular activities too. And we also celebrated all the important festivals in national and international level. We celebrated the greatest Pongal in a very solemn. During Pongal, we wear traditional dresses. Our teachers cook sweet Pongal for us. We have a Rangoli competition on that day. It is a joyful moment for us. We enjoy a lot. Every year our school organizes Christmas celebration in a grand manner. In that day we exchange some small gifts. We have various competitions like crib making, Christmas tree decoration, etc. may be conducted.
Okay, what are the activities of your school under the groups? Please tell me down.
We shall tell everything. Once in a week, we conduct Talents Day. Once in a month, we have to decorate our notice board according to the topic. We have many more competitions like flower arrangements, origami, essay writing, poem writing, drawing competition, singing and dancing competition, Tirukural recitation, fancy dress and many more. Now I want something. Our small buds will perform something. Come Harishankari, we may go and have a coffee.
Okay.
Hi everyone, we are children of the world. We are children of the world. We are stars of today. We are stars of today. We are future of nation. We are future of nation. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Story. The wires craners. Once upon a time, two craners and a tortoise lived near a pond. They were good friends. The craners was calm, but the tortoise took deep. There was no rain in summer. The pond dried up. They got no food. They wanted to move to a new pond. They wanted to carry the tortoise. They thought of an idea.
Hello, how was the program?
Excellent. I never thought that there are such talented students in your school. I am very happy to hear about your school. Now tell me about extracurricular activities.
Oh, that's great. We have different groups in our school. Under their leadership, we conduct various seminars and games with regard to the important days such as Educational Day, Environmental Day, Parents Day, Grandparents Day, Nice Fest Annual Day, Sports Day, etc.
Could you like to share your personal experience with me, please?
Of course, our teacher encourages us to participate in all these programs. So I participated and won most of the programs.
Oh, wonderful. Very interesting. Now shall we go for a break?
Surely, I was about to tell you. Meanwhile, we shall wash a ritual treat, shall we?
Why not? I love it.
மேகம் கருக்குது மின்னல் சிரிக்குது சாரல் அடிக்குது இதயம் பறக்குது மேகம் கருக்குது மின்னல் சிரிக்குது சாரல் அடிக்கிறது என் நீலாடிய மிச்சத் துணிகள் நதியாய் போகிறது மேகம் கருக்குது மின்னல் சிரிக்குது சாரல் அடிக்குது இதயம் பறக்குது நிலாவே வா 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 நிலாவல் வா 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 என்னோடு குளிப்பது சுகமல்லவா உன் கரையை சலவை செய்து விடவா புறாவே வா 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 ஓடு வா 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 உன்னோட குளிருக்கு இடம் தரவா என் கூந்தலை கூடு செய்து தரவா காற்றை போல் எனக்கும் கூட சிறகொன்றும் கிடையாது தடைமீறி செல்லும் போது சிறை செய்ய முடியாது இளமையின் சின்னம் இளம்பட்டு வண்ணம் இன்னும் இன்னும் பலத்து கொள்ளே 21 வயதுக்கு மேலே காலத்தை நிறுத்தி வைப்பேன்
Rini, by the way, I forgot to ask you about your curriculum achievements. Are you scoring good marks in your subjects? How is your teachers? Are they handling the subjects well?
Yes, Harishankari, all our teachers are dedicated and simple ones. They all are available at any time with regard to the clearance of the lessons, and occasionally we have exams so that we cannot be lazy in studies. Even every day in our classroom, teachers ask questions from previous day's portion.
You are very lucky, Rini. Let me know about extracurriculum achievements.
Yes, by this great sacrifice and dedication of our principals, Reverend Sister Ruby, Reverend Sister Deepthi, Reverend Sister Navya and our teachers, our first set of SSLC students brought glory through 100% result in board exam 2015-16 with subject and terms. We are proud to announce our SSLC toppers. Topper for the year 2015-16 is G. Hemapriya. Topper for the year 2016-17 is R. Madhumida. Topper for the year 2017-18 is J. Sangeeta. Topper for the year 2018-19 is S. Sale Devadarani. Topper for the year 2019-20 is N. Yogini.
Congrats, Rini. Is there any other program apart from this?
Yes, we conducted science exhibition. It is very useful for us. Psychology classes are conducted for parents, teachers and students. We had dengue awareness program. Every year we are conducting eye camp.
Well done. How did your school handle this pandemic situation?
Right from the beginning of coronavirus, our school equipped us with the knowledge of virus, its spread and preventive measures. Even we are away from the school, our school engaged us with educational online activities during lockdown.
Now let us watch the last and final performance. I am sure that you will love it. Ready? Let's go for a break.
வணக்கம். குழந்தைகள் தின சிறப்பம்சங்களை எடுத்துரைக்க போகிறேன். ஒவ்வொரு ஆண்டும் நவம்பர் 14ஆம் தேதியை குழந்தைகள் தினமாக கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. உலகம் முழுவதும் ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் ஏதாவது ஒரு தினம் கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. அதில் மகிழ்ச்சியான தருணங்களும் இருக்கும், துக்ககரமான நினைவுகளும் இருக்கும். அதுபோன்று சுதந்திர இந்தியாவில் முதல் பிரதமர் ஜவஹர்லால் நேருவின் பிறந்த நாளான நவம்பர் 14ஆம் தேதியை குழந்தைகள் தினமாக கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. அவர் குழந்தைகள் மீது அதிக அன்பு கொண்டிருந்ததால் அதனை நினைவுபடுத்தும் வகையில் நாடு முழுவதும் கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. அனைவருக்கும் குழந்தைகள் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
So, dear friends, thank you so much for the beautiful programs that you have rendered in a very creative manner.
Dear Reni, you have such a beautiful program. May I know that person who is leading you all towards these achievements?
Don't you know? Surely I will tell. Our present dynamic and motivational principal, Reverend Sister Navya, leads us to have all these significant accomplishments.
All the programs have kept a high standard quality too. So here we wind up in today's special cultural programs on Children's Day celebration. You are watching YouTube channel of St. Anthony's Matriculation School. Thanks for your patient watching.
Wish you a very happy Children's Day.